Decorating the kitchen is an art that is constantly evolving, since this room is one of the most important and most used in the house. Here we have kitchen trends to follow in 2023 for color, material and some others to create an elegant and functional kitchen. Keep watching till the end. The Home Ideas channel gives you tips and tricks for decorating your home, both interior and exterior. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give your comments and likes. In fact, the kitchen has always been considered the central place of the house. Space for sharing, conviviality both with family and friends. Kitchen design cannot be separated from the color, type of material, layout and technology that accompanies it. The kitchen trends for 2023 is truly full of new proposals. The kitchen, both in small houses and in larger ones, represents one of the rooms of the house on which today the greatest attention is paid in terms of interior design solutions. And here are some things that are trending in kitchen design in 2023 according to trend predictors. Number 1. Practicality and function. For some years now we have seen the solutions of the wardrobe that hides appear on the market. A stylistic choice widely used in homes that marry a minimal design and not only for the kitchen environment but also for other places in the house. And for 2023, the hidden kitchen solution is definitely a trend to take into consideration. In fact, retractable kitchens are now a choice of furniture used not only to meet the needs of small spaces, but also as a choice of pure design. Doors with sliding panels, or folding doors, in different colors and materials, often coordinated with the colors of the wall, once opened reveal a real kitchen behind them, equipped with all comforts, latest generation appliances, etc. That of hidden kitchens is one of the increasingly used solutions also to furnish a living area that combines living room and kitchen. Number 2. Colors. Although the more traditional colors such as wood, in all its essences and shades, and the shocking colors such as black, purple and yellow still retain interest and attention. However, green, gray and blue, anthracite, burgundy, deep and vibrant colors will be the most used colors for the trendy kitchens of 2023. This time we look at how blue color affects the design of a kitchen. Blue, with its shades ranging from overseas to almost indigo, really lends itself to many interpretations and consequently is adaptable to various kitchen styles, from the most modern and design to the most classic and traditional kitchens, for which the choice of the blue color can represent the right element to play down and make the furniture more current. It's time to see how the color gray affects the kitchen. In fact, gray is a very popular color because of its neutrality. Because it is still more decisive and incisive than white, but at the same time it is not excessive, as colors such as red, yellow, etc. can be. The choice of gray for the kitchens is synonymous with design, contemporaneity, but also elegance. Green for kitchen design. Green is certainly an important color and able to give a strong character to the kitchen. Among its infinite shades, in the 2023 trends, dark green, or bottle green, is certainly a color that will not go unnoticed in the kitchens. Remaining therefore always in the green field, two other colors for kitchen furniture 2023 are also sage green and aqua green. Number 3. Materials used in trending kitchen 2023. In accordance with a more sustainable lifestyle adjusted to the objectives of the millennium, from now on interior designers are trying to replace plastic with natural materials. In the kitchen, the use of natural materials is a priority that also requires your attention and investment. For example, kitchen furniture with marble, granite and unpainted wood countertops become essential elements. Not only do they have an overwhelming aesthetic presence, but they are increasingly appreciated for their health benefits, since they do not require chemical treatment when cleaning and disinfecting them. Number 4. Kitchen with technology and sustainability. If it is true that the kitchen has always been the heart of the home, the old home, it is equally true that today, in the digital age, even innovation has now entered in all respects in this environment of our homes. And in fact, the kitchens of 2023 will be increasingly technological and interconnected. The offer of high-tech, intelligent appliances, connected to each other and manageable via smartphone apps is now increasingly rich and articulated. And this also translates into greater efficiency and sustainability. Number 5. Kitchen accessories and complements. Among the 2023 must-haves for kitchens there are certainly accessories such as wine cellars, bar corners and display cabinets. Thanks to the many interior design solutions, today these furnishing accessories can really represent the added value in your kitchen, thanks to accessories and lighting systems that transform and enrich the whole environment, thus giving the kitchen a touch of modernity and elegance. That's the estimated trend that will happen to the kitchen in 2023 that you can use as a reference. However, there are things to note that kitchen trends in each location, including countries, may vary depending on many factors.